What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. And if you're new here, I'm a new trader. I've been trading for like 2 years. Just sharing my experience, and pretty much my experience for the last 2 years has been me getting my ass handed to me. I had $10,000 in this Forex account and it whittled all the way down to $1,500 at my worst. And you know what? I had to recognize that I had an issue. I had a problem, I had a habit, I had whatever. You know what I mean? A lot of people, I'm sure some of you guys know or don't know, but, you know, some people like to come home from work and have a cigarette, a joint, a vape, a drink, whatever. You know, whatever it is that you do. Maybe in the back of your mind, subconsciously, you know, like, hey, maybe I shouldn't be doing this much. You know, this isn't good for me. Like, I shouldn't be doing this. Like, I shouldn't smoke pot this much or whatever. You know what I mean? Or you just don't think about it and you just do it anyway. But it's like, you have to admit it. You have to recognize it and say, hey, this is an issue. And if you want to fix it, it actually takes work. Like, you have to, like, put the work in to get there. And that's Forex too. Like, a lot. That is Forex. It seems like it's designed like that for a reason. So yeah, I've been following this new strategy that I've been kind of, you know, learning from somebody else. And but it's not just the strategy. Here's the thing. You can learn whatever you want from anybody. It's being able to use it yourself. You know what I mean? Because I see other people and they make it look so easy, and you're like, and they're like, oh, it's super simple. I don't know how anyone can't do this. And it's like, well, I almost lost like freaking a lot of money. I did lose a lot of money. But, the way I look at it is, my rules were if I lost the whole 10K and I blew one account, that was it. Done. Done forever. Never again would I put another cent into Forex. So, and I really didn't want that. I don't want to stop. I don't want to quit. But I'm not going to just keep feeding them. So it needs to be, like, I need to come up with something. So I've been like putting in the work. And yeah, what I've been doing lately has been working great. Absolutely great. The zones thing, and being extremely patient, because here's the thing, like, as new traders we like to zoom in. I don't know why, it's just like a habit. So look at this on 2 different time frames and tell me. So I had a sell order right here within this sell zone, right? Because there's the zone, we want to sell from there. So I had a sell order here, price went up, came through the box. That's another mistake, is having your stop too close to the box. You kind of want it, you got to give it room to breathe. If you smother your trades, you're just going to be taking losses all the time. But then it came down, I was in profit, and then it started wiggling its way back up slowly. I had a stop set for just before break even, and it took me out. Price came back up, and then it dropped and it went down without me, because I was too zoomed in and I brought my stop down too soon. It made a massive move down without me, and that was a lot of money. That was a big mistake. Now, look at the same chart in the same zone on a different time frame. Do you see this on the daily chart, how, like, calm it looks? Yeah, we had a wick. I mean, that was probably sign A, right? We had a major rejection there. The price still tried to come, and we got a second rejection, and then it started to work its way down. That's exactly what happens. Usually price tries an area at least once or twice. Usually twice at least. Sometimes 3 or 4 times, but usually you get at least 2 tests of an area. And there it is, 1 and 2. I mean, sometimes you'll get 1 and it'll just be like, boom, and you're out. And those are the nice ones, but it doesn't always happen like that. So for Aussie Swiss franc, for now, I'm waiting for, because we have the long-term trend, which is down. We have this short-term trend, which is up. And you can see that we broke out of the short-term trend once, false break, went back up. We got rejected from this area, resistance. We broke second time. So now I'm waiting for the retest. So this might come down. This might come down a little bit more and then come back up, retest this box here, this zone, and then reject from there and go down. On the 1 hour chart, yeah. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for price to like probably do something like this and like that. And if we're wrong, right, then we hit a false break here, came up, came down, we have another false break here, and we get stopped out. But if we're right, what are we risking? We're risking $100. And if price does go down, where could it go to? Where should it go to? I would say the next, like somewhere down here. Maybe it will take this low out. Right? Let's see. Take profit. We could go like to this one. That would be $250. That's a 1 to 2. If we go to this low, 339. That's a 1 to 3 ish. You know what I mean? So, and it could come all the way down to this trend line. It could be $500. It could keep going forever down. You know what I mean? Look on the weekly chart. Price is about to close. Ooh, it's close. It is really close. It is slightly bigger. I mean, I guess that's technically an engulfing. It is bigger, but not by much. But that is engulfing. If it closes like that, but yeah. We'll see. But yeah, that's one trade that I'm looking at. Euro USD, I freaking slayed this week. Absolutely slayed it. I mean, euros, like, yeah, I was able to get my account back up to $3,000. So, I mean, I haven't been killing it, but I've had like a $300 win, $200 win, another $100 win, then like a $60 loss, then another $200 win, another $300 win. Like, that's how it's been going for me. Oh, $50 loss. Oh, a win, a win, a win. Oh, crap, a loss. A win, a win, a win. Oh, crap, a loss. Like, that's pretty much how it's been going. You just have to, like, be patient and just sit back. Like, you're never going to be right all the time. So I try to focus on trading 2 pairs at a time. Because my account's so low, I try to focus on trading 2 pairs at a time. But I might put out 4 trades just in case 1 or 2 of them doesn't get triggered. And then as soon as a couple of them get triggered, then I might go in and cancel the other ones out or whatever. Or if they all get triggered at the same time, then you're in. So, but Euro USD, we had the Fed meeting, and price pushed up into this sell zone up here, and I waited for price to start to roll over. And as soon as I saw price roll over, I sold right here. Price dropped, retraced, and dropped again, and I took profits right before this low. Like, I wasn't taking the chance that it was a higher low or whatever. It was like a $300 and something win today, and I was like, yep, I'm taking it. But look at this. Weekly chart, like, this is the long-term trend. Look at this on the monthly chart. This is a long-term trend, right? Yeah, we have boom, boom, and then we broke, and now we're coming up for a retest, and this is about to close as a 382 pin bar reversal candle on the weekly chart. So this is a good sign that potentially Euro USD is heading down, maybe into the next weekly zone. So that's the thing. Maybe we should take Euro USD and put it on full screen and go through here. And you know what? We're going to delete this, this, and this. Let's mark out weekly zones with a yellow line, not a box. We're going to go through and mark the weekly zones, the best ones that stand out to us, and we're going to mark them with a yellow line, and then we're going to zoom in, and then we're going to put boxes. I think that might help a little bit. So, obviously, we'll have to, let's see. Let's get a horizontal line. And let's see. Yeah, that's definitely one. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Right there. We got a reaction here. Yep. And then we'll do one more below that. I don't want to make it too crazy. But I would say somewhere there. Yeah, because you can see, like, we got a wick from there. We got a wick from there. Price broke through it. But kind of, well, we got a reaction from here, the previous highs, but yeah, this seems like a decent overall area. Okay, so we have two areas on the weekly chart. And that's the thing, everybody sees the charts differently. Everyone sees the zones differently. You know, yeah, no two people are going to, yeah, look at this. Then you zoom in and you start seeing it. Look at that. Here it is. Full screen. Yeah, look at the bottom one there. It's resistance. Price kind of hugged this line for a while, then it was resistance. Yeah, then it was that was support there. Okay. So we've got those. Now I want to zoom in a bit. Probably go to the 4 hour. Now we're looking at zones. So like when I look at the 4 hour, I don't care about like weekly and all the other things. I'm just literally looking at the 4 hour chart or the 1 hour chart, and I'm looking for zones where price has bounced recently. I don't even care about previously. I'm just looking at recently. And here we have, like, here's a zone, a like very clear zone right here. Price broke through this area. We got, oh, we got a rejection there. Oh, we got a rejection there. Oh, we got a rejection there. And that, like, that was 3. Broke up into this zone. Pushed up, hit this zone, and now it came flying back down straight through this zone. And now we're coming back down into this first one. And price is starting to slow down. I mean, we had some serious momentum, and now price is starting to slow down. So I'm hoping for a bounce from this zone, probably back up into this one minimum. And then I'm going to be looking to get in short because of that weekly 382 pin bar. So I'm looking for long, short term, and then I want to get back in short. Long term, probably to one of these yellow lines before reversing and going higher long term. Possibly this comes down and takes this low out again. I don't know. But for now, I'm just going to follow the little bumps. Looking for zones, looking for bounces. That's it. That's all I'm doing. USD CAD. I did pretty good with this one too in the last couple of weeks. Because we have the long-term support. Yeah, or this was a long-term resistance trend line, right? We had this one right here. It was resistance, 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 and then it broke through, became support, and now we're starting like this bullish pennant thing, and we're at the bottom. So, bullish pennant, so it should be bullish. We're at the bottom, probably a good place to buy. So I bought here, pushed up, I took profit, came back down. I bought here, it pushed up. I got stopped out for almost break even. I made a few bucks. Came below here. I bought it again because we were on this kind of trend line here. I saw this. Boom, boom, boom. I'm like, okay, well, we're below it. Does that mean we broke and we're going to go lower? I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. This looks like a short-term, wedge here. So I think we could break out of it. I don't know. So I bought here, it pushed up, and I took profit again today and got out. So, I mean, bouncy, 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 profit, profit, profit. The thing is you're always waiting for that you know, you're trading Forex and you think it's going to be like you're going to get in a trade and it's going to move in one direction for 3 weeks straight and you're just going to be banking. The problem is that rarely happens. Like, not all the time does that happen to a new trader. Like, you kind of just have to like take the bounces and take whatever you can grab off the table. And that's basically what I've been trying to do, is to like find an area, get a bounce, take it. Find an area, get a bounce, take it, and just keep doing that. And that's what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. And yeah, like I said, I made $1,500 back in the last couple of weeks. Am I killing it? No. But am I moving forward? Yes. And that's the goal. So I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to keep doing this, the same thing, and see if things get better, if things get worse, how can we improve, and just keep doing this. So, yeah. That's it. See you later.